Dear students, a very good morning to all of you. I am Bhavna, your class teacher, back again with a new video session for you. Dear students, today we will start our video session with the new theme of this book, and that is black and white. Okay, so today we will start our video session with a very beautiful rhyme. For this, open your book of rhymes. Students, open your book of rhymes and go to page number 20. Here we have a rhyme, Baba Black Sheep. Now start singing with me. Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for my master, one for the dame, and one for the little boy lives down the lane. Now repeat with me. Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for my master, one for the dame, one for the little boy who lives down the lane. Okay, students, repeat this rhyme again and again. Okay, now we will move to our next session. For this, students, open your I Can Beginner book 3. I Can Beginner book 3 and go to page number 70. Here we have an activity of pasting things that we like in black and white color. So think what you like in black and paste it into the black circle. Similarly, what you like in white and paste it into the white circle. Okay, do this exercise. Now, students, move to page number 71. Page number 71. Here we have to tick on white objects. Tick on white objects and cross on the black objects. Okay, like cross the black button, black hat, black goggles, black camera and black umbrella. Cross all the objects. And now tick on white bag, white shoe, white pillow and the white flower. Okay, easy to do. Okay, students, do it at your home. Now we will move to our next session. In this session, students, we are going to revise a new letter, and that is letter M. But first we will revise the alphabets from A to L. A to L. Okay. Now look at the screen and start with me. A is for apple. B is for bear. C is for castle. D is for dog. A is for eye. F is for fish. G G is for grapes. H, is for hen. I, E is for ice. J is for jowl. K is for key. And L is for lamp. Okay, student, repeat it at your home again and again. Now we will learn alphabet M. Learn about alphabet M. First we will sing letter M song. Now look at the screen and start singing with me. The mums and the dad make many meals. Mama, mama. The mums and the dad make many meals for their hungry children. Okay. Now look at some images. Start from letter M. M is for morning. M is for moon. M is for monkey. And M is for mask. Okay, students. Now we will move to our next session. In this session, students, we are going to revise a very beautiful rhyme. And the title of the rhyme is 5 Little Monkeys Jumping on the Bed. Okay, now look at the screen and start singing with me. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped her head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped his head. 1 little monkey jumping on the bed. He fell down and bumped his head. Okay, students, repeat this rhyme at your home again and again. Okay, now students, in this session we are going to revise the number 5. But first we will revise number from 1 to 4. Now let's start with me. Yes, how many ball is there? Yes, there is only one ball. Now look at the next image. Now student, count these balls. Yes, count with me. 1, 2. Now there are 2 balls. Now look at the next image. Yes, now count with me. 1, 2 and 3. Now there are 3 balls. Now look at the next image and count with me. Yes, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now there are 4 balls. Okay, now look at the screen and count with me. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now there are 5 balls. Okay, students. Okay, now students, follow my instructions, like you jump 5 times. Then you clap 5 times. Okay, do it at your home. Okay, students. Now we will move to our next session. Students, in this session we are going to revise a very beautiful rhyme. A very beautiful rhyme. Sorry, a very beautiful story. Interesting story. Okay, listen to it very carefully. The name of the story is The Little Red Riding Hood. Okay, Little Red Riding Hood lived in a hut near a forest with her mother. With her mother. She always wore a beautiful red hood while going out. Okay. One day she went to see her grandmother. One day she went to see her grandmother. On her way, she met a wolf. Hello, where are you going? Yes, wolf said, where are you going? Little girl said, I am going to see my granny. She lives behind that hill. The wolf got the wicked idea. The wolf ran to Granny's house and ate her up and got into Granny's bed. After some time, Little Red Riding Hood reached the home. She saw the wolf laying in her granny's bed. Oh, Granny, what big eyes you have! Oh, Granny, what big eyes you have! Oh, Granny, what big ears you have! So that I can hear you better. Granny, what a big nose you have, girl said, so that I can smell you better. Oh, Granny, what big teeth you have, so I can eat you better. Oh my God, help me, help me. Nearby, a woodcutter was in the forest and he heard the scream. He ran to the house just to see the wolf attacking the little girl. He hit the wolf over the head and this made the wolf open his mouth and shout. The granny jumped out. The wolf ran away and Little Red Riding Hood never saw the wolf again. Okay, students, are you enjoying this story? Okay, now that's all for the day. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.